Finally, after 6 month gap, we are going to India.
चलो भाई हो
This is a night view of the Abu Dhabi street. Alright, finally reached airport. This is the newly inaugurated airport. So here's my luggage. Tarbhai, thank you.
थैंक यू भैया आते मिल रहे भैया ओके
Thank you. Thank you. Alright. So this is the international airport, Abu Dhabi. Immigration done. So after 6 months, we're going back home. Reach New Delhi. After a long time, this is a Sole Bhature. Domestic Terminal 2. Finally reached Singapore. Cowboy, tonight to Dimapur, This is the cowboy.